In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signatures in DocuSign. Whether you're managing a simple agreement or a complex contract, ensuring everyone can efficiently sign digitally is essential. So, let's dive into the process to make this as smooth as possible for you. First things first, you'll need to start a new envelope on DocuSign. Begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, look for the option that says New on your dashboard. Click on it and you'll see Send an Envelope as one of the choices. This is where your journey begins for adding multiple signatures to a document. Next up is uploading your document. Click on the Upload button, which allows you to select the document that needs those multiple signatures. Have your document ready on your device so you can easily access it. This document will serve as the canvas for all the signatures you'll collect, so make sure it's the final version before you begin. Now it's time to add recipients. Click on Add Recipient. Here, you'll need to enter the names and email addresses of every individual who is required to sign the document. DocuSign lets you add up to 99 recipients, so even if it's a large group, you're covered. Make sure you double-check their email addresses for accuracy, because that's how they'll receive access to the document. If there's a specific order in which the signatures need to be collected, you can assign a signing order. This step is optional, but it can be crucial for documents where hierarchy or sequence is significant. To do this, assign a number to each recipient corresponding to the order they should sign. This ensures a seamless process where recipients are prompted in the sequence you've determined. After setting up the recipients, click Next to proceed to the document preparation page. Here, you can add signature fields. This step is all about ensuring each recipient knows where to sign. Simply drag and drop signature fields onto your document. Ensure that you assign each field to the appropriate recipient so there's no confusion during the signing process. The last step before sending your document off is to preview it. This is your chance to double-check that all the fields are correctly placed and designated. Once you're confident that everything is set, click Send. This action will dispatch your document to all the recipients, ready for them to sign an order. And there you have it. By following these steps, you ensure a hassle-free experience when adding multiple signatures in DocuSign. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it, and a great way to streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy signing!